If I told you that inside this box was a full suspension electric bike, would you believe me? Introducing the Kutty FS, the most compact full suspension e-bike we've ever made. This thing packs a big punch in a tiny package. It folds down to just 32 by 39 inches, so it'll fit nicely in your car, camper, or closet. When you're ready to ride, it's quick and easy to get going. Enjoy the excitement of electric assist, the comfort of full suspension, and the convenience of a folding frame all at once. Thanks to its compact form, it's significantly lighter than most e-bikes. This makes the Kutty FS a breeze to fold and unfold. There are just 2 steps to transform your bike from compact storage to adventure mode. Swing the frame out like such and lock it in place using the clamp. Then, unfold the handlebars, lock them in place, and you're done. So it's easy to get going. But what's it like to ride once you're on it? With its 250-watt hub motor, this bike has plenty of power to fight back against wind or hails. The pedal assist is like pedaling along with the power of 2 people at the same time. And with the thumb throttle, you can get an instant boost of power whenever you need it. The Kutty FS is equipped with a 36-volt, 13-amp-hour hidden battery, which can deliver up to 20 miles of range, or 32 kilometers. With full suspension and 3-inch tires, you'll be able to explore off the beaten path without sacrificing comfort or traction. We've also loaded it up with disc brakes, a 7-speed Shimano transmission, and an easy-to-use control pad where you can monitor battery life and change your pedal assist settings. The Kutty FS is all about providing an awesome e-bike experience with the flexibility of a compact design at an affordable price tag. It's the perfect companion on a road trip, at the lake, or wherever space is hard to come by. If you're interested in the Kutty FS, feel free to reach out to our customer support team, and they would be happy to help you.